Good morning, everyone. I'm all by myself here today. So let me make a couple of announcements. I have the final study guide. The final will be on the 27th of July, available for one day or 24 hours. Okay. Wednesday, day after tomorrow. And you will get 2 hours. I'll give you more questions, a few more, maybe 20 questions, 21, not too many more, a few more. And the whole syllabus is here. That's all we're going to do. It'll be cumulative and everything you already know. You want to take the final on time. I won't be able to give you extensions on the final. The grades are due right away, right after Wednesday. Other than that, one more important thing, guys. We are recording tomorrow. I will be available from 11:30 till 1 to take questions. I won't be recording anything. And we actually have a short recording here too today. The very last problem from our syllabus that we haven't done is number 13. It's a hard problem. I'm going to do it for you guys. That's the plan. So let's go ahead and look at the problem. And I will try to do it. And if you show up while I'm recording, just feel free to say hi and we can talk. Excuse me. So guys, we are going to be working on this packet, surface area and volume elementary. And the last problem in our syllabus is this one. A little birdhouse. It came from a 7th grade book. And if you read the question, it says you're going to paint the birdhouse and you're going to find the surface area. Wood is painted. So I'm not going to take the whole text. I'm going to take this to my Mathigon Polypad page. So let's look at this solid. I need to find the surface area of this solid. Now, first I am going to find this length using the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to call this H, hypotenuse. And this green piece, the base, is going to be half of 6. It's going to be 3. Okay? The Pythagorean theorem allows me to draw this conclusion. H squared is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared. 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. And that is 25. That's good. Therefore, H is square root of 25. And that is 5. Finished. Now, I would like to write it down neatly here that this length of that slant height, which is 5. It's not given, but you need to know it. Now, I know we are recording, but I would like to erase this. I don't need it. I don't need it for anything else. Now, if you read the question, you're going to find the surface area, only the surface area. Very carefully. That will be painted. The bottom will be painted. The area of the bottom is, let's see, the bottom is 6 by 6 or 36. Of course, I'm going to just write 36. Okay, now there is a hole here. We have to address it. Okay, I'm going to pretend the hole doesn't exist. If the hole doesn't exist, I have four walls, okay? I only see two, but there are four of them. And each wall is 6 times 7. Okay, I'm gonna write it here, 6 times 7. But there are four walls, and 6 times 7 is 42. And, sorry, 42 times 4 is 168. So I'm gonna write it down, the area of the four walls, and you can write it down, the total area. And where's 36? I'm writing it down so that we can kind of refer to it. $168. I'm going to check it again if I'm wrong. I think that's correct. Now, I have to take the roof. Okay, the roof involves two rectangles. I'm going to call them roof rectangles. And the roof involves two triangles. I'm going to call them the roof triangles. Let's erase this. Okay. So let's write it down. Total area of the roof rectangles is equal to, of course, it's not 168. Let's erase that. Let's explain it here. If this side is 5 and this side is 6, it's going to be 5 times 6, which is 30. But you want to multiply it by 2 because there are two of them. So here we write 60. And we don't need it. I'm going to erase it. Okay, now I'm going to take this, copy it. The total area of the roof triangles. There are two triangular pieces that make the roof as well. And I am going to find the area. Each triangle has a base of 6, height of 4. Area of a triangle is base. This is the height times the base divided by 2. And that's 24 divided by 2. That's 12. But there are two such triangles. One is here, one is here that you can't see. So you're going to, the total area of the roof triangles is 24. Let me see if I have accounted for everything. I have the two roof triangles. I'm going to erase this. 24. I have the roof rectangles, 60. I have the total area of the four walls. I have the bottom. I have to add it all up. And from that, I have to subtract the area of this circle. I don't need a lot of the writing anymore. I like to clear things up as we go. So, all right, this 5 is important. I'm going to leave it there. All right, so I'm going to find the area of the circle. Now, area of the circle is pi r squared. Now, r of the circle is half, not 1, half square. And that turns out to be pi over 4. Okay, so let's see how we do it. So basically, guys, pi over 4. Now, I don't have a good way of writing pi over 4, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, the total area of the circular hole, I'm just going to write round hole, is actually pi over 2. I don't have a good way of writing pi over 2, so I'm going to kind of be a little sloppy. I'm going to leave a little room, and I'm going to write my pi here. Now, pi is a number, right? 3.142. You're going to take 3.142 divided by 2. Let's see what we get. Pi divided by actually 4. I'm going to fix it. I'm getting 0.79. That's good enough. I'm getting 0.79. 0.79. That's good enough. I'm of course going to check my answer. If I made a mistake, I have to come back and fix it, of course. Don't worry about that too much. I have to, let me change this color to red. Okay. And this pie is green. That bothers me a little bit, but that's not a big deal. We'll fix it right now. Okay, not perfect, but does the job. Let's erase this. I need the rule. You clearly have to understand. You have to have all the green numbers because they are the real faces that will be painted. From that, you have to subtract 0.79. Okay, so I'm going to write here the total surface area. The total surface area of the little birdhouse is equal to 36 plus 168 plus 60 plus 24. Careful, and you have to minus 0.79. 0.79 is simply pi over 4. Now, let's go ahead and add it. And yeah, I will have to check my answer for sure. So hopefully my answer matches. 36 plus 168 plus 60 plus 24 minus 0.79. I'm getting 287.21. Let me check my answer. 36. Let me check 36, 168, 60, 24.79. Subtract 0.79. I am getting 287.21. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. And if I don't get the right answer, well, I'm happy actually, guys. I'm surprised that I didn't mess up, but that's exactly what the answer is. 287.2146. 21 is good enough. So we are happy, and you have to put the number, and you have to put the unit, and the unit will be inch squared. That's good enough for me. So here is the last problem from our syllabus. Okay, so I don't have any more recording. That's the end of our syllabus, and we are kind of, on time in a way. And I won't have a full recording session today. This is the last problem we do. I'm going to jump out of this session. This will be downloaded and it will be downloaded on my computer, uploaded on YouTube. You will have it, but I am available. It's 11:45. I'm going to be available for you to answer your question. If you want to come with your questions, fine. If you want to schedule an appointment, that's totally fine. Some of you have done that. I'll be happy to talk to you. Good luck. Don't miss your final. I will not be able to give your final again. Your final does replace your lowest exam score. If you missed an exam, make sure you do very well on the final. That's going to help you. Good luck, guys. And do come tomorrow, 11:30 till 1. I'll be available to answer your question. If you ask me something major and we do something cool, I'll record it, upload it. Otherwise, I'm not recording any more videos. We are done with the semester. Thank you, guys.